I'll show you how to make a Threads account public. Make sure to watch this video to the very end so you won't make any mistakes. And if we'll open our Threads account and if we'll open our profile in the right bottom corner, we can find the option like edit profile button. So if you'll click on it, we'll be able to find the last line here, which says private account, and then like turned or turned off. And if this feature is turned off, as for me, it means that you already have like public profile. But basically, if this feature is turned on, in order to make account public, you just simply need to disable this feature. Then just simply click on done in the right top corner. And basically, yeah, your profile is public now. But the second way of how can we do this, we can click on more in the right top on these two lines near your Instagram icon, and we'll come to this page where we need to click on privacy. And in the top of the screen, we have the option to disable or like enable private profile feature. So in order to make it public, just simply disable it. And as you can see, switch to public profile. Yeah, anyone on or off Threads can see and interact with your content. Okay, so now our account was successful and turned on as public. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye, guys.